We often regard the silent treatment as one of the worst communication issues in a relationship due to the significant negative impact it can have on both partners and the overall health of the relationship. This form of communication involves deliberately ignoring or refusing to engage in conversation with a partner, often for an extended period of time. While occasional moments of silence can be natural, using the silent treatment as a deliberate tactic can lead to a range of harmful consequences. When communication breaks down and one partner decides to withdraw emotionally instead of addressing issues head-on, it creates a toxic environment filled with uncertainty, frustration, and unresolved tensions. Firstly, the silent treatment creates an atmosphere of emotional distance and tension. This emotional distance erodes the sense of intimacy and connection that is crucial for a strong and lasting relationship. Secondly, the silent treatment can amplify misunderstandings and escalate conflicts. Without open dialogue, assumptions and misconceptions can flourish, leading to a vicious cycle of frustration and resentment. As one partner remains silent, the other may begin to fill in the gaps with their own interpretations, often leading to exaggerated or inaccurate conclusions. It undermines trust and emotional safety within the relationship. Trust is built on open and honest communication, and when one partner uses silence as a weapon, it sends a message that they are not willing to engage in a mature and constructive manner. This breach of trust can lead to feelings of betrayal and insecurity. When one partner employs this tactic to gain control or manipulate the other's emotions, it creates an unhealthy imbalance where one person holds emotional dominance over the other. This not only damages the equality in the relationship but also erodes the mutual respect that should be the foundation of any partnership. The long-term consequences of the silent treatment can be highly destructive to the relationship's overall stability. Repeated instances of silence can accumulate, leading to a pattern of communication breakdown and emotional alienation. Instead of resorting to silence as a means of control or manipulation, couples are encouraged to prioritize open, honest, and compassionate communication. When both partners can express themselves freely and work through challenges together, relationships can thrive and grow, leading to a deeper bond. So, here is my question to you guys. Does your relationship too experience silent treatment frequently? Thanks for watching.